Dutch Schultz, born Arthur Flegenheimer, was a notorious American mobster during the Prohibition era. Known for his involvement in bootlegging, racketeering, and illegal gambling, Schultz met a violent end in 1935 when he was shot in a nightclub. His final words have been the subject of intrigue and speculation, as they reflect the mindset of a man facing his impending demise. In this video, we delve into Schultz's final words, exploring the mystery and enigma that surround them. The life and crimes of Dutch Schultz. To fully comprehend the significance of Dutch Schultz's final words, it is essential to understand his criminal activities and his position within the underworld. Schultz was a prominent figure in organized crime during the Prohibition era and amassed considerable wealth and power through his illicit operations. The attempt on Schultz's life. On October 23, 1935, Schultz was ambushed in the Palace Chop House in Newark, New Jersey. He sustained multiple gunshot wounds during the attack. Mortally wounded, Schultz lingered on the edge of life, and it is during this critical moment that his final words were spoken. The mysterious last words. Schultz's last words were a strange stream of consciousness babble spoken in his hospital bed to police officers who attempted to calm him and question him for useful information. Although the police were unable to extract anything coherent from Schultz, his rambling was fully transcribed by a police stenographer. These include: "A boy has never wept, nor dashed 1,000 Kim. You can play jacks, and girls do that with a softball and do tricks with it. Oh, dog biscuit, and when he is happy he doesn't get snappy." While the exact content of Dutch Schultz's last words will forever remain a mystery, their existence continues to captivate the public's imagination. The enigma surrounding his death only adds to the lore and mythos surrounding the larger-than-life figure who operated within the shadows of organized crime. Intimations of betrayal and the numbers game. Several interpretations of Schultz's final words have emerged. Some believe that his statements allude to the fear of betrayal within his organization. Others suggest that his incoherent ramblings were an attempt to convey coded messages related to the illegal numbers game, a lottery-style racket popular at the time. However, without concrete evidence or a clear understanding of his intended meaning, these interpretations remain speculative. An unanswered enigma. The true meaning and significance of Dutch Schultz's final words may forever remain a mystery. While numerous theories abound, the lack of definitive evidence hampers any conclusive understanding. His words, spoken in his final moments, offer glimpses into the mind of a notorious criminal, dealing with the imminent end but ultimately leaving historians and enthusiasts to ponder their true significance. Conclusion. Dutch Schultz's final words continue to captivate the imaginations of those with an interest in organized crime history. Whether they were cryptic messages, expressions of fear, or simply the ramblings of a delirious man, we may never know for certain. The allure of the underworld and the intrigue surrounding Dutch Schultz's life and death reverberate through his enigmatic final words, ultimately leaving us to contemplate the secrets they may forever keep.